Hello. A square that is empty on the inside. I hope I understand it correctly. Um, I take a cylinder and I reduce the topology to 4 and I create a hole inside. That's yes, and you can create the size what you want, and you can adjust the height. Um, and when you find, you can validate it. And when you need only this side, a selection mask and extract the shell. This is one way. The other way is, I think, you can use the lathe tool also, I think. I don't know. And I thought the subdivision, not the subdivision, the division. Yes, there was a way to do this. Genau, there's a hole and post subdivision. 4, 3, 2. I think with this version you can create some objects with the lathe tool and with the cylinder. Perhaps it helps. Okay. Ciao. Have fun with sculpting.